guys, Sally here. I'm the drone girl. I am here with Tony Reid. This is the guy to know here. He is going to put on an indoor drone show for all of the kids. We are here at Palm Springs Drone Fest. He does this in New York for Drone Cadets, and he's bringing it out to us. I'm super excited to have you here.
Yeah, I really appreciate you coming. You know, you're the famous drone girl. Everyone reads all your stuff, blogs, articles, important things. You even interviewed a good old friend of mine, Luann Cromier, right? So shout out to her.
We love Luann. Okay, so enough about me. Tell me what we are doing here today.
So basically today, all right, we're teaching the students the meat and potatoes on drone light shows, right? They got to see an awesome drone light show yesterday, 500 drones from Skyworks. But we want to know, how'd you do it? How'd you create it? How'd you set up? You know, what are the ins and outs? So today, get those, a brief intro and demonstration on how to do it to have the kids interact with it. So we had the kids literally set up the base stations, understand from, hey, we're taking feet, I got to convert those feet into meters. So, and then literally understand exactly how do you set it up from the numbers perspective, software, and making sure that it literally has the right amount of the numbers and the sequential numbers as far as the drone setup factor. And then also on top of that, having the students line up with the software, making sure that it's calibrated, the geofencing, understanding all of those factors to have a complete, successful, and safe drone light show.
Now, for today's event, we only had about an hour, so the kids did not get to actually write the code to program the drones, but I understand that's something that you guys can do if people do a longer sort of session.
Yes, so we have after school sessions. We do about 12 sessions where students, they stay after school with us from an hour and a half to 2 hours, and they get to go through the actual writing of it, development of it, and creating it. We go through the review side because we want them to see the show before, and if they do see the show before in the review, they can actually see if there's crashes or anything, and that's what we want to prevent at all times. So it's really important that they go through the after-school sessions with us so they can have a complete showcase moving forward, so that they could start a drone show of their own in their own towns. That's what it comes down to.
3, 2, 1.
And it seems like drone shows are totally the future. Do you think there's money in here? Are you helping these kids get jobs?
I am doing everything and more so they can literally see, their future, starting in their own business. There's only about 5 to 6 different major drone light show companies in the United States. Why not have an indoor drone light show company? That's an untapped market right now. So it's really up for grabs. So we start them now, get them going early, and then they could be in show business like we are. And, it could take my jobs. Go ahead, have them all, have all the clients, because there's enough money to go around for everyone.
And so, actually, aside from the drone show that we're seeing here today with you, I have never seen an indoor drone light show. I've seen many outdoor ones, but the indoor ones, I hear they're at like concerts, all the spots, Cirque du Soleil type things. Is that the future?
That is 100% the future, all right? Drake, Rolling Loud, all these showcases that happen, literally indoor drone light shows can definitely compete with, and it's very safe. As you can see, the drones itself, the guards, a lot of the outdoor drone light shows have no guards on it. So literally it's a very safe encompass type of drone, and then on top of that, safety measures are always put into the drone show. So yes, when it comes down to it, this is literally the future. So be on the lookout. If you're not in it, you're going to get left behind. So get with it now.
Get with it now. You heard it here. Thanks so much for joining us. Happy flying.